Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Fertility, Hope and Healing.
Before we get into this video, I wanted to let you guys in on an opportunity for a free workshop that I will be hosting on November 19th, 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This workshop will go into ways that you can optimize your fertility, health, and well-being, and also ways that you can actually rewire your brain for healing and for pregnancy. So don't miss out on this opportunity to sign up for this. You can access the link to sign up below in the description box. Just click on the arrow below and you can access it by clicking on the link that I have for you there. I look forward to seeing you guys at this workshop. It'll be free online November 19th. And then if you've missed this workshop, we're going to be doing some more in the future, so stay tuned. You can get more information on that by going to our website, lifeharmonywellness.com.
My name is Dawn and I'm a licensed acupuncturist and fertility coach, and I have spent the last 15 years helping couples achieve their dream of having a baby. Today, guys, I'm going to share with you my 3 biggest tips on how you can get pregnant quickly once you're ready to do so. This video is for those who are either just trying to get pregnant or even for those that are struggling getting pregnant. Now, for those who are struggling getting pregnant, I do want to say that if there is something off and wrong hormonally, most likely that's what it is. It could be uterine, it could be something going on with the egg, something male factor. Those things need to be addressed and taken care of before this would work, but you can still try it. Although, if you're new to my channel, please join our community by subscribing to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss a video, because we have a ton of videos on how you can optimize your fertility. And also, we offer fertility programs with our fertility coaching, and you can check out that by going to our website at lifeharmonywellness.com. All right, so let's get to our video. So the first tip, trick, hack to get pregnant quickly would be, first and foremost, pre-seed. Now, pre-seed is a lubricant that is safe to use when you are trying to get pregnant. Now, you may say, Dawn, I don't need a lubricant, so why would I do pre-seed? Now, pre-seed is not necessarily used for a lubricant. It's used more as a tool to help you. And what is in pre-seed is, now I heard this years ago, but I had a struggle finding it on their website, but they put some type of antioxidant in there that helps keep the sperm alive longer. And also, in general, it helps to balance pH vaginally, and that alone will help keep sperm alive longer. So the other thing too that is really great with it, if you have issues with cervical mucus, that also can be used in place of that. Although, having said that, if you have struggles with cervical mucus, you may have something off hormonally. So you want to get that checked out prior to trying this, okay? But it does work for some that have issues with cervical mucus. Low amounts are not the right consistency, okay? So that is my first tip and trick, is to use that. You would actually use it, by the way, you would insert it prior to trying. There's an adapter that goes with it, and you can read all about it in the instructions when you get it. But yes, my first tip is use pre-seed. Second tip would be to use a menstrual cup. Now, this is not on your menses necessarily. So this is really an underground tip or trick that I found years ago that I have been recommending my patients, and it's worked for them once they got to a health that they were able to get pregnant. So they're known as, the brands back in the day were Soft Cup. I had a hard time finding Soft Cups, but Diva Cups is one of them. But I like the one that's more flat. I'm going to show you a picture of it here. And basically, what this does is, after you have sex, after you insert the pre-seed, then you have sex, then you would take that and insert it. And what this does is, anything that's left over from behind with intercourse, it will shove everything up to the cervix, okay? and it'll keep it there for the cervix to open when you are trying to get pregnant. So, or when you're ovulating, basically. So and let me just go over, I did a whole video on your fertility window, when ovulation, what's the best way to test for ovulation. I'm gonna link that below. But you're gonna try every other day, okay? And you can use this up to 12 hours after you try, all right? So you would just insert it. Also, guys, I would practice this beforehand because this can be daunting for some. So I will link a video below that shows you how to insert this. They have it on YouTube, but they also have directions that come with it. Now, these are available at any drugstore. You know, ones I know of are CVS, Walgreens, they have it. So, but yeah, you can look it up. You can also get it online, but it's the flat one that I like the best because that one's gonna put more up against the cervix than the Diva cups that are more like an actual cup. So that is my second tip for you being able to get pregnant quickly. The third one, now this is kind of like an added bonus, okay? Because I've just started to suggest this because I just ran across this information online. They had done a study that basically showed if a couple tries twice within 1 hour, they will have a higher rate of getting pregnant up to 3 times. And this really kind of goes beyond what we as fertility experts have learned. You know, we want more concentration, but it does make sense that it would give a little extra added sperm. Now, this would be difficult to do along with doing the cups. If I were you, I would do the cups if you're going to choose one or the other. But you can just try it maybe one of the days that you're trying to get pregnant. Typically, people are trying at least 2 to 3 times before ovulation to be able to get pregnant. So maybe one of those days you can try this. Try it twice within an hour, or even twice within 1 day. If you want to use the Diva cups on top of it, obviously you're going to have to do it after the second time. But anyway, that's my third recommendation. Anyway, guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if in the comments below if you've had any tips and tricks that have worked for you. I may do more videos because I have some more. These are things that you can easily do at home, but there's some other things that you can do that will help you get pregnant quicker too. And if, like I said before, join our community, subscribe to our channel. We would love to have you. And I send you guys lots of baby blessings, and I'll see you next time.